Welcome to HR for Line Managers series with Monday Thompson. In this video, we explore how to lead people, develop talent, and deliver results using practical strategies and real-world tools. Welcome to the concluding part of Episode 5 of HR for Line Managers. In this episode, we will focus on concluding part of learning and development, and how line managers can build skills, improve capability, and strengthen team performance. On-the-job learning can include shadowing, job rotation, stretch assignments, mentoring, problem-solving projects, cross-training, and guided practice. Line managers should deliberately create learning opportunities. They should not wait until employees are fully ready before giving them a chance to grow. However, stretch assignments must be supported. Giving people responsibility without guidance can create stress, mistakes, and frustration. A good manager says, "I want you to try this task. I will explain the standard, support you through the first attempt, and review it with you afterwards." The sixth responsibility is reviewing learning impact. Learning is not complete when training ends. It is complete when behavior, confidence, or performance improves. Managers should look for evidence that learning has made a difference. Are errors reducing? Is speed improving? Is quality better? Is the employee more confident? Can they work with less supervision? This helps managers avoid confusing attendance with learning. Just because someone attended a course does not mean capability has improved. A good line manager connects learning to measurable outcomes. This could include productivity, quality, safety, customer satisfaction, reduced rework, faster task completion, or improved teamwork. The seventh responsibility is encouraging career development. Development is not only about fixing weaknesses. It is also about helping employees grow, prepare for future roles, and see a path forward. Employees are more engaged when they believe they are learning, growing, and building a future. A manager who supports development helps improve motivation and retention. Career development conversations do not need to be complicated. Managers can ask, "What skills do you want to build? What role interests you in future? What experience would help you grow?" However, managers should be honest. Not every employee can be promoted immediately, but every employee can be supported to improve capability, confidence, and contribution. The eighth responsibility is building a learning culture. A learning culture is a team environment where people are encouraged to ask questions, share knowledge, learn from mistakes, and improve continuously. In a learning culture, mistakes are not hidden. They are used carefully and responsibly as opportunities to improve processes, strengthen skills, and prevent repeat issues. Managers shape learning culture through their reactions. If a manager punishes every mistake, people may hide problems. If a manager encourages learning with accountability, people improve. A learning culture also depends on knowledge sharing. Managers should encourage experienced employees to train others, document best practice, and reduce dependency on one person. Now let us look at a simple development structure line managers can use. Identify, diagnose, plan, support, apply, review, and sustain. First, identify the gap. Be clear about the performance, skill, or knowledge area that needs improvement. Second, diagnose the cause. Is the issue caused by knowledge, skill, confidence, tools, unclear expectations, or lack of practice? Third, create a development plan. Agree what the employee needs to learn, how they will learn it, what support will be provided, and when progress will be reviewed. Fourth, provide support. This may include coaching, training, shadowing, mentoring, resources, feedback, or time to practice. Fifth, apply the learning. The employee must use the new skill in real work situations. This is where learning becomes capability. Sixth, review progress. Check whether confidence, behavior, quality, or performance has improved. Seventh, sustain the improvement. Reinforce good performance, provide continued feedback, and make the new skill part of normal working practice. Let us apply this to a practical example. Imagine a team member keeps making errors in a weekly report. The easy response is to say they are careless, but a better manager investigates the development gap. The manager asks, does the employee understand the report? Do they know the data source? Have they been trained on the template? Do they know how to check accuracy before submission? If the issue is a knowledge gap, the manager can retrain the employee. If it is a confidence gap, the manager can coach them. If it is a process gap, the manager can improve the checklist or template. After support is provided, the manager should review the next few reports, give feedback, and confirm whether accuracy has improved. This is how line managers turn performance issues into development opportunities. They move from blame to diagnosis, from diagnosis to support, and from support to improved performance. Let us summarize. Line managers support learning and development by identifying skill gaps, using skills matrices, coaching employees, supporting training, enabling on-the-job learning, reviewing impact, encouraging career development, and building a learning culture. Learning and development is not just about attending courses. It is about building capability that improves performance, confidence, engagement, and business results. HR and L&D provide the structure, tools, and programs, but line managers make development real through coaching, feedback, practice, support, and follow-up. In the next episode, we will focus on employee engagement and motivation for line managers. We will explore how managers influence morale, trust, recognition, commitment, and team energy. Thank you for watching this episode of HR for Line Managers. If this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with a manager, supervisor, or team leader who wants to build stronger people and stronger teams.